Local news for Thursday the 24th of October. A Masterton woman is raising money to have her eggs frozen. Bailey White undertook intensive IV chemotherapy as a youth, resulting in the chance that she may not be able to conceive naturally. At 15 years old, Miss White was diagnosed with stage 4 Hodgkin's lymphoma, and a Give a Little page has been set up for anyone able to make donations. Labour weekend will see a busy one at Masterton's Aerodrome. Friday afternoon and all day Saturday, 6 aero clubs will be holding their regional flying competitions. Planes and pilots from Wellington, Kapiti, Whanganui, Dannevirke, Waipukuro and Hawke's Bay will join in a range of competitions. Masterton Judo and Jiu-Jitsu Academy has a new home after Masterton's Lands Trust have helped it relocate at short notice. The academy had to move from the previous Body Rock Gym in Queen Street to make way for renovation and repurposing of that building. And in sport, a Trust House Secondary School Sports Awards are on again tonight. A high calibre of nominations sees 53 nominations and 22 sports represented in this year's award.